I've had neighbors that had people here for months doing work. I don't need that.
Galvanized pipes have been causing problems in our area for years, but now there's a new problem: copper pipes.
This particular client had developed 2 pinhole leaks.
Small pinhole leaks might not sound like much, but they can lead to a massive headache.
The housekeeper came screaming to me. I was in the other room. She said, "Come in here quick, there's water everywhere."
Copper, you don't develop any corrosion buildup inside the pipe. You rather develop patina. And it can be a film or it can be just a spot of patina. That will eventually become a pinhole leak.
After just 30 years, the copper pipes were failing. One solution: completely repiping the entire home.
I didn't want 25 holes in the walls.
Another: ePiping.
We don't need to replace any piping. We do replace all the angle stop valves with new valves, quarter turn, lead-free valves. We also replace all the supply tubes with stainless steel braided tubes from the shutoff valve to the fixtures.
The ePipe process sandblasts out the existing corrosion in your pipes. Next, the pipes are lined with a durable, long-lasting epoxy.
Once we put that epoxy in the pipe, we maintain heated air in that pipe. So it starts basically curing that epoxy almost immediately.
When it's fully dry, new valves are connected and a water pressure test is done.
It's a specially formulated epoxy for use in potable water. Goes through NSF, National Sanitation Foundation testing and certification. That's the same testing and certification that any potable water component must go through and pass.
I'm real pleased with it.
This is a pipe that's been coated with the epoxy coating, and you can see that will now protect that copper pipe from ever developing a patina film or pinhole leaks. And you're looking at about a 65+ year life expectancy.
Safe and permanent pipe restoration without all the mess of holes in the walls. This is what makes TDT a certified Home Show Pro. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.